The first step is to pick up the no-E foldable headboard first. Pick up the second fixed guardrail again. Distinguish the one with the pattern. On this side is the headboard of the bed. On the left are the two holes below. The three holes are connected to the fixed guardrail no-R. Install the metal embedded side on the outer side of the fixed guardrail. Transparent anti-knot strip facing upwards. Install the second fixed guardrail on this side of the third hole. Align the hole position before installation. Preliminary fixation with 6x35 screws. Insert it and do not completely tighten it. Align the three holes on this side with the R&D guardrail. Take the folding guardrail off. Number 4 again. Foldable installation facing outward. Install the bottom to hold with 6x35 screws. Use 6x35 screws to install the holes on this side as well. After aligning the screws of the entire frame can be fixed and tightened with L-shaped tools. Take out the S-shaped hook from the screw pack. Hang on both sides of the guardrail. Take another board with a slightly thinner size wool directly placed on the hook. Take another 6x35 screws and roll bed board holders. Attention during installation. The fixed guardrail is one on each side corner. Insert screws from the outside and secure them with nuts inside. After installation, there are 4 folding guardrails and R-fix guardrails on this side. Take the sleeping board, number low again. The hole on one side of the sleeping board corresponds to the no R-fix guardrail. Put it directly on it. Align and tighten the middle hole with 6x35 screws. If it doesn't match, you can move the sleeping board left and right. Adjust the alignment. Install the headboard buckle again. Use for small self-tapping screws and to buckles. Attention before installation. Place the buckle horizontally with the opening facing outward. Press the buckle on the guardrail inward. Thread the buckle through from the back and place it on the headboard of the bed. Screw it in again with self-tapping screws. After tightening, you can open the lower buckle, face it at the head of the bed, and reinforce it. The other side is also in the same way. First, press the buckle down, passing through from behind and facing the bedside. Same reinforcement and tightening. After installation, fasten the guardrail. Install the extended support. Wooden strip again. First, slide the protruding side arm. Both sides into the hole below. Align the upper card slot inside. After seeing the outer hole position, and aligning it with the hole, align the holes and reinforce, and tighten them. The mounting tool spins in. The other side is also in the same way. Pay attention to the installation direction. The screws for installing the wheels are silver nuts and thin, cross-shaped screws. First, turn the bed upside down. Attention! The small triangle of the wheel faces inward, close to the rocking foot and the line. With the hole position, screw through from inside and install the nut. The larger side of the nut faces inward, outward facing with anti-slip adhesive. Use a small wrench and installation tool together. Fix the nut with a small wrench. Tighten with installation tools. Attention! The nut should be completely snug against the rocking foot. If it is easily screwed on, it means that the nut has not been tightened. The installation method for other wheels is the same. First, insert the mosquito net pole diagonally into the mosquito net circle. Rotate vigorously and screw it in. Fixed on the side of the fixed guardrail. Attention! The metal embedded on the guardrail is facing outward. Align the hand-tightened screw side in the installation screw package. Mosquito net circle facing upwards. There is an elastic ring on the inside of the mosquito net. Just put it on and it's installed.